we didn't really have mentors who wanted to see us succeed. Hey guys, so today's video I'm going to share with you 3 tips on how to start an online business. I feel like these tips can be very helpful. I wish that me and my mother knew these tips before we started Bourgeois Boutique. And if you guys don't know about our online store, we cater to all sizes. We have accessories, and our stuff is just everything. Let's get straight into the video. So my first tip, and this is a very important one, and it is to have a source of income. When you're starting off a business, you need to pay for so many stuff. So you need to pay for a website, and I feel like that's very important. The website I do go through is Vix. I pay $200 annually. Shopify is better. I do need to upgrade, but eventually I want to wait till my sales increase, and then I will increase my business along with it. And if you guys do subscribe to my channel, you will hear on my vlogs I do talk about how I only like to work 5-hour shifts so I can have the day to focus on my brand, focus on YouTube, focus on my business. And I don't like the fact that I work all day to make somebody else rich and I'm not working on myself. So that's why I like my 5-hour shifts. So subscribe. When we first started our business, we didn't really have mentors who wanted to see us succeed. So that's all I'm going to say about that. So now let's go to our second tip, which is to get a seller's permit. Now, when we first started, we went through LegalZoom, and LegalZoom charged us about $250, but they gave us everything. They gave us the business license, seller's permit, and they contacted us every time we had to do a deadline. Now, I do not suggest to go through LegalZoom. I do suggest to go only through the seller's permit, and it's no cost to get a seller's permit. So my last tip is to have a social media presence. Once you have your business, you have the business name, you have the concept, and when you know everything you want to sell, you need to get on every free social media to build your name. I'm still having problems on building my name, but every day I'm growing and every day I'm getting better, so I'm working on it. And of course, that's promoting is very important. So I just share with you 3 tips that I feel like could be helpful for anyone who wants to start a business. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. My channel is all about entrepreneur life, beauty, vlogs, and fitness. Our boutique is having a sale, 20% off, and this dress is on our sale item.